A day after Assam and Meghalaya began second round of discussion to resolve dispute in remaining 6 areas, several pressure groups from Garo Hills, namely GSU, FKJGP, ADE and AYWO, on Monday held a sit-in protest against the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the two states in March this year. The demonstration held near the Civil Hospital Junction in front of the Ukyang Nangba Memorial Statue. The groups also submitted a joint memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma demanding government to review the MOU.
Meghalaya government, MD government, had done the MOU without discussing and without any consent with the local people.
Both the governments, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government, they signed the MOU, basing the MOU on the 5 mutually agreed principles. But however, we have felt that they have blatantly overlooked the 5 mutually agreed principles because if we look at the aspects of the 5 mutually agreed principles, we have to look at the historical background, we'll have to look at the ethnicity, we'll have to look at the administrative convenience and geographical continuity and people's willingness. We will be submitting our memorandum today, and we have given a copy to a lot of ministers.